In this video, I'm going to explain to you how you can manifest a large amount of money, an incredible relationship, or business success in just 3 simple steps. This is the easiest method to practice that I have ever come to know because there's not so much to do. It only consists of 3 steps, so if you are willing to know this amazing manifestation technique, make sure to watch this video till the end. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos from our channel. Let's now get started. Well, first, I want to tell you that this method is completely unique and new. It's not similar to the stuff that you often watch on YouTube or read online. What's amazing about this method is that it is completely unique and has been devised by Neville Goddard's teaching experts. But remember that this isn't a one-time method. This method actually consists of some beliefs that you are required to carry in order to manifest your desires. This method only works if you are consistent, the process is repeatedly done, and the beliefs don't fade away from your mind. One time isn't enough. You have to carry the beliefs permanently and repeat the process frequently. So now let's go. Step 1. Assume the wish is fulfilled. This is Neville Goddard's most famous teaching when it comes to manifestation. Have you ever thought about why you are required to assume your desires are fulfilled? It creates positive thoughts and removes all the doubts and negative thoughts residing in your mind. Your manifestation primarily depends upon your thoughts. You are either going to manifest your desire or you are going to get nothing based on your thoughts. Your thoughts create your reality. Just remember it always. So why are you delving into the state of wanting something? If your thoughts suggest that you need something, your external reality will reflect that you really need those particular things because your reality reflects your thoughts. It can't just go against your thoughts. Assuming your desire is fulfilled, it has the power to create an entirely new reality for you by bringing about a shift in the circumstances that you are experiencing in your life. Well, the question is, how can you assume your desire has been fulfilled? What is the best way to express that your desire has manifested? Start by getting crystal clear on what you want. Choose a particularly attainable desire that seems reasonable. For example, if you want to manifest money, choose an amount that seems reasonable. For a person who is earning $2,000 per month, getting $3,000 would be normal. So decide on a reasonable amount of money like that, or get clear on your desire if you want to manifest something else. Now, instead of feeling a sense of lack and separation from that desire, focus on feeling as if it's already yours. Activate all 5 of your senses and use your imagination to feel the sensation of the emotions you expect to be elicited once you manifest your desire. Remember that starting from within is the key to manifesting. Don't seek any validation from the external world. Just refuse to wait for validity from the external world. Your inner self is a place where everything starts and finishes, so you have to start from within yourself. As Neville Goddard says, you are the creator of your destiny. Don't only feel that your desire has been fulfilled, but experience those feelings in your real life. If you do this successfully, you will feel your desire drawn toward you. So in the first step, you have got to assume that your desire has manifested in your life and experience those feelings in reality to show that you have got it. Any doubts will disrupt the process and things will not work, so make sure you believe your desire with your heart and soul. Think that you are able to manifest your desire and that you have already done so. There is nothing between you and your desire. You aren't chasing it, you never have been chasing it. It is yours, and it has always been yours. You just need to realize this truth and believe it. Once you are done with this step, you are ready to move on to the next. Step 2. Let go of all attachments. This is the top skill you have to master if you really want to live the life you desire. Neville Goddard's teachings suggest that most of our sufferings come from our attachment to a painful experience. Attachment is our ability to move forward from a painful experience. To me, life is only the present moment, but most of us let our past affect our present and future. You manifested those experiences, events, happenings, and occurrences by default and unintentionally. But now you can manifest a desired reality by manipulating the programming of your mind. If you keep on thinking about your past and don't detach yourself from it, you will keep on suffering. You will manifest those incidents and unfavorable happenings over and over again if you don't get rid of those thoughts. What detaching yourself from your past means is flushing those thoughts out of your mind. Whatever happens or has happened in your past, your thoughts are responsible for it and will always be responsible for it. What you have to learn is the art of choosing your thoughts. Choosing your thoughts is actually choosing the circumstances that you will experience. So choose your thoughts wisely. Now, if you are trying to get money or get into a relationship, it means you have thoughts that express neediness. You have mistakenly or unintentionally choose the thoughts that are causing you to need something. Suffering unpleasant circumstances means you have thoughts that are creating the circumstances. So you have to detach yourself from those thoughts, or else you will keep manifesting the same circumstances. The world is the creation of your thoughts. Get rid of the thoughts that are causing problems in your life. Your detachment from the previous thoughts is the beginning of a new life. The moment you decide to leave the old thoughts behind and have new ones, you step into a new reality. But the question is, how can you detach yourself from the negativity? How can you let go of all the attachments that are bringing negative results into your life? Let me now tell you that to get rid of negative thoughts and let go of all the detachments, you have got to do many things. You have to get rid of everything that caused negative thoughts to rise in your mind. As you know, whatever is in our contact gives rise to some thoughts in our minds. Our consciousness is the cause of our thoughts. Whatever we see, hear, do, or feel gives rise to some thoughts, and in some cases we respond to the situations and they affect us. So you have to get rid of everything causing negative thoughts in your mind. If you have surrounded yourself with some negative people, just stay away from them and get into a circle of positive people. The negative people will cause negative thoughts in your mind, and you will manifest a life full of undesirable things. If anything causes you to think negatively, get rid of that thing. And even if you think negatively about living in a place, try relocating yourself so that you can get rid of negativity. Whatever you can do to stay away from the negative people, get away from the negative and unsupportive places, and anything that causes you to think negatively, just do that. That's what it means to let go of all the attachments. What I'm trying to say is that in order to step into a new reality, we must let go of the old one. To be a new you, you have to let go of your old self. Number 3. The art of not desiring. Well, this is the last and most important step, so it is crucial for you to clearly understand it. What is the art of having no desire? Here, actually, Neville Goddard suggests having no desire. It's because when you get rid of all the negativity and all the negative thoughts, you have to accept that you will now manifest only the desired thing. You have put positive thoughts in your subconscious. You have put the thoughts of whatever you desire in his mind, and now nothing is left to do. It simply means you have no desire to manifest. You have manifested all of your desires. You aren't waiting for your manifestation to come true. Your manifestation has already come true, and now you are living the desired reality. When you have this kind of belief, it sets you free. You don't need anything because you have everything. You don't wait for anything because you have received everything. Well, you know that waiting for something is really painful. Waiting is an undesirable thing in and of itself. Nobody wants to wait. So by expressing that everything has been created, everything has been done, and the creation is finished, you learn the art of no desire. Let me tell you that when you desire something, it creates feelings of lack, and it all hurts you. Wanting something makes you feel unsatisfied. This is what causes negative thoughts to arise in your mind, but the moment you express that you don't need anything and that you have received everything, you become fully satisfied and you start expressing gratitude. When you are done, don't do any further things or try any more techniques, because it shows as if your desire has not yet manifested itself. And again, it creates the feeling of wanting. Don't see your past and don't worry about your future, because what you wanted came true. Now you have everything you desire. This is your reality. Just enjoy it and feel as if it is the desired reality. When you accept your current reality as your desired reality, all the unhappiness fades away and your life gets illuminated. When you begin to feel whole and good enough, you start to manifest from this state of wholeness. You know being grateful for something is crucial to getting more of it, so learn to be grateful. When you are grateful, it means you are satisfied and don't appear to want anything, so you manifest your desire. Wanting something makes you feel ungrateful and unsatisfied, so you get more dissatisfaction and desire more, but you get nothing. So when you are done with this process, express no desire, just show gratitude, and feel as if you have already achieved everything that you desire. Manifesting from this point on makes manifestation easier. Staying in the state of having everything helps you have everything. But on the other hand, staying in the state of needing something makes you need everything. While staying in the state of having everything, you manifest everything and no longer need anything. But while staying in the state of having something, you manifest nothing. I hope I was able to deliver a good analysis of this concept by Neville Goddard. And of course, this doesn't mean we agree with every single thing he said or believed in, because in the end, everyone will form his or her own opinion, and that is why we are analyzing and discussing his ideas and methods to fully understand his approach and general ideas, as he was a great teacher and inspired millions of people around the world. If you want to share your opinion, comment down below this video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.